visitors are coming in 2 days. There's still so much to do, but I know I can get through it all. There's just memories galore. Ribbit, you came to help me. Oh man, like you're the best. Can you hand me those records, Ribbit? I shouldn't have kept these all these years, but yeah. Oh, Ribbit, you just really, you know when to show up and just, oh, there's more. Oh, thank you. Branksome Hall students are here. Oh, what have you got there, Luce?
We have some of your old records and some of your sweaters.
Oh yeah. Scarves?
Scarves, yeah.
There's so many scarves. What are we gonna do with all those scarves?
I know, right?
Heard you needed some hang tags.
The head prefect is here. Oh no!
Hey Karen, someone said it's moving day and I thought we would bring you some food.
Chef Peter, how did you know pierogies are my favorite?
The kitchen wanted to set you up before you left.
Well, you know, it's hard to get to the dining hall in time to get the pierogies because the Branksome girls are just eating them.
It's a popular one.
I know, it's a popular
Enjoy.
one. Are you going to send me pierogies when I'm no longer here?
I can do that.
Yeah.
For sure, give me a call.
They smell so good. Wow, now I feel I can get down to packing.
Karen,
Oh, get out of here.
next step on the list, I know you're going to be active in your new home, so I just
yeah.
want to make sure that you have all the equipment you need to
Well,
keep that going.
geez, I
for
feel
you.
like I should just be doing some stretching now.
Focus on the breathing, keep that core
Yeah.
tight.
Oh,
There you
yeah.
go.
Can you help me now with that backhand? Oh, look at this. Oh, man, we got more people coming. Oh, thanks, guys.
Packing?
I do. One of you is going to have to go up to the second floor, one of you up to the third floor. Wow. So much to do. Okay. Let's get organized, okay? All of this stuff into one of these boxes.
Karen,
More
you-
people.
You
Chris.
can't leave
Whoa.
Toronto without bringing this home with you. But to your next stop.
Did everybody know about this?
Yes.
A moment in history. $5 million. Thanks, Chris. We had fun raising all that money and, you know, thanks to all our donors. $5 million Chris is going to look after. Oh, Chef Peter, you're
working
back.
so hard and it's hot out, so don't forget your
Give
water.
the girls water. You're looking after us
We try.
all the time. You know what? This is what happens at Branksome. We're always looking out for each other. You've all looked after me today. Thank you for coming, helping me get organized. I have so many memories, 26 years of memories, and so much with so many fine people. I'm just thinking about the next game, what's going to happen, but mostly I'm thinking about the opportunities to keep an eye on Branksome Hall, on the students, the chance to come back and visit every now and then. And I'm going to do like everybody here today. I'm going to keep well the road because I know that the Branksome community will always keep well the road. Go Branksome!
You guys need help over there?
Yeah, it's a bit heavy.
I brought the muscle right here.